everybody. So today we're going to be working on this Bentley. We put on a full body kit and fixed the front bumper 3 times already. This will be the 4th, but this time we're replacing the front bumper completely. You gotta watch out for them parking bumps. Let's get to work.
So, gonna have to fix some stuff. There's a crack down here. And then right there. Always something. A couple other little things need to get fixed before it gets painted. Get to it. This is what I got after grinding. '80 grit. Got these. Couldn't make up their mind whether they wanted to make it go all the way around or so we're just gonna fill out at it. Crappy quality. I think they outsourced these bumpers to China or something.
So we are going to be building our own splitter. Let's do it. So here is what it looks like so far. I made it go deep under the engine. That way if you go scraping on something, it'll just slide over it. I think it looks pretty good. What we'll do is round this edge off, keep sanding it with smoother sandpaper, and then polish it, and it's gonna be like brand new.
So the back bumper had some stuffs on it too. Some damage. Didn't get to film it. Had some cracks all along here. Broken here. Cracked here. Got the filler on it. Keep finding more stuff. Gonna have to fix that here. Cracked. Probably same on the other side. Front bumper is ready to go. Fixed all that crap. Fixed the ocean that was over here. $1,500 for an ocean bumper. Ocean meaning waves. Wavy, lumpy doo-doo. Had to add on the corners because the corners were missing. Filled in the holes that them idiots drilled for no reason. So we got the bumper primer. Oh, that nasty shit. Look at me. Time to sand them down and get ready for paint.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you
got the primer all sanded down. Kind of hard to see in this light. All that's left now is to sand the rest of the bumper and get it ready for paint. What up? So it's like day 500 with these bumpers? No. Got to sand every nook and cranny by hand to get it nice and smooth. Yeah. Took a while. All these corners, all these edges, all by hand where the sander can't get to. That was a lot of fun. But we got it all sanded down. Next is going to be the paint booth. Yeah, you can just imagine how many corners and edges and yeah, all that. All up in there. All in these vents. That was a lot of fun. On the front bumper and the back bumper. We got it all sanded down. And then into the booth they go. The last step is making the holes for the parking sensors before the paint. Yeah, you thought we forgot? Nah.
So we got the bumpers painted. Looking nice, boy. Now we'll put them together and put it on the car. So we got it all bolted up. We put some big ass washers so it'll be holding good. What we did is drill it and made them flush. Double that. Now this is flush so they don't catch on nothing. Now we'll put all the grills and put it on the car. Got all the grills on. Now we need to transfer all the wire harness and the parking sensors with the brackets and hot parts. Got everything installed back on the rear bumper. Sensors, lights. Gross. Now we'll install the bumper.
Past the rings of Saturn, across the Milky Way.
All done. Sensors, everything. And now we install it on the car.